I'm Avelio Matos. I'm a packaging designer with a focus on luxury brands. I look at designing packaging as an extension of the product itself, as a way to distill the experience, to just communicate one message to the consumer. So taking from product design, there's a lot of principles out of product design that I'll implement into packaging. It's not having excess components just for the sake of having excess components. It's really stripping away. As a packaging designer, I create opportunities for brands to connect with consumers. Brands will send me products, and I experience the product on its own merits without packaging, then build a story with the brand. Typically, we're going to focus on sustainability, but we want to create an experience that ties back to the brand. Everything from the way the box feels, to the weight of it, to the size of it, and the different steps that a consumer has to go through. As we're talking, I'll be developing concepts just at a fast pace. You start piecing together all the different things that resonate with them and building out a new, complete structural concept. We'll just do some really rough measurements. I'll dig out a sheet of board and start cutting and building a prototype just as a proof of concept. Make sure that the structure works and delivers the experience that we're driving towards. Once we complete that, we'll look to graphics to complete the story. Everything from the position of the logo, to the messaging, to the story that's told as the box unfolds and reveals the product. We talk to suppliers that already understand sustainability. They've created new processes in order to increase the sustainability of the paper. In the instance of the box that we're creating here, the paper for this box was actually made from recycled coffee cups. Not only are we reducing the amount of material in landfill, we're also creating paper that can then be recycled and repurposed for future use again. The story that we wanted to tell with this box is that we wanted to tie the graphics from the book into the box without overpowering the graphics on the book. So in order to do that, we created multi-level embossing dies. Working with the team out of Indonesia to manufacture the boxes, they hand-cut these dies, and the craftsmanship that goes into creating these dies is amazing. As the recipient opens it, they're exposed to the graphics, but only on a tactile level. When they lift up that inner panel and they see the book, it all ties together, and then the book becomes the hero. The box fades away, and the box then becomes easily separated and recycled. Having done this for nearly 20 years, I really pull from a lot of experience. I'm not necessarily inspired by what's current, but the different things that have inspired me throughout my life. Today there's a lot of things out there that are amazing, but I typically go back in time and see what are the classics. What gets me up in the morning is being able to create new concepts, new structures, new designs that are not only going to create experiences for consumers, but also showing brands how to create interesting interactions with consumers that is also going to be sustainable. All those different things that we experience in our life as packaging, there's definitely ways to create those in a sustainable manner that's going to also inspire other designers and other brands to take that path and reduce the amount of waste that we're creating on this planet. And that's really what drives me.